Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to crochet this very easy bag. This bag is easy. You can put some neat things inside. You can make like a gift, for example like this top. If you work on something like this, you can just make it and you put it inside, and you see how beautiful it looks like. It's a very simple and easy bag to crochet. You can put as many things as possible as you want inside. Instead of walking around with a sachet, I think this is the best to go. So guys, let me go straight to the point. So here is the yarn that I'm going to be using, and here is my crochet hook that I'm using to crochet the bag. So I'm going to begin with a chain, and my chain is going to be 23.5 centimeters. So here is my chain, guy, 23.5 centimeters. So what next I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet half crochet on top of it, back, so from this point up right down I'm going to crochet all the way half crochet. So see, so guys, I'm almost down here with my half crochet. So let me put the last. So as you can see, this is the first line, half crochet. So I'm going to go back with a double crochet. So I have to work all the way from here till I reach on top with the double crochets. So see you on the other end, guys. So I'm almost on the top, guys, where I begin with my half crochets. So just put in mind, the whole of this bag you have to work with double and half crochet, double and half crochet. So when I reach here, I'm going to do an increase. I'm going to make an increase with a chain. So I'm going to increase a chain of 12 centimeters, and that position is going to be the hands. So let me show you the way I'm going to increase it, guys. So this is a chain, guy, that I've increased. I need 12 centimeters. So this is my meter. I'm going to measure it and see if it's up to 12 centimeters. That's 11 centimeters. So I'm going to do a little bit of an increase again. Then let me see if I'm having 12 centimeters now. Yeah, right now I'm having 12 centimeters, then plus 2 extra. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add one more chain, then I'll come back, because coming back I need to work on half stitches. So those extra two, they're going to add me one half stitch. So I'm going to work on half stitches on top of the chain. And whenever you are doing your chain, guys, always try to make it a little bit loose, so that when you are coming back on it with your stitches, you are not going to be facing too much difficulties to pass through your needle. The needle should be able to be going in so easy for you. So I've arrived here, so from here I'm just going to continue with my half stitches. See, I reach down, then when I reach down this way, I'm going to come back with the half stitches. So I'm just going to continue it crocheting with my half and double stitches. So see you on the other end. So guys, I'm on this line. So here my hand is already okay, so I'm going to use my stitch marker where I begin here. So I'm also going to stop here in the front section, so I mark it here. So this upper section here, it's going to be the hand, then I'm just going to be working now in the frontal section. So I'm going to tell you how many centimeters exactly the hand is. The hand is 8 centimeters large, 8 centimeters large, then 12 centimeters long. So let me continue going, guys. Continue going till I reach my stitch marker. So I'm almost on my stitch marker. So right now when I arrive the stitch marker, I'm just going to concentrate working on the middle part, the middle part of the back. So right now I'm on my stitch marker. So from now hence, I'm just going to be working now on this middle part until it reaches the point that I want to put the other hand the other way. Then I'm going to make a chain, then I put the hand just the same way that I did this one. So guys, this line I'm going down with my half crochet. From now hence I'm just going to be working on half and double crochet, half and double crochet on the middle side. So I'm just going to try as much as possible to show you guys just the most important parts, so that I should not repeat much. So see you on the other end, guys, when I'm about putting the other hand. So guys, you can see how far I'm progressing. So this is the first part, the second part, now this is the third part. I'm on it. So this is the last line. When I arrive up here, I'm going to do an increase. I'm going to do an increase here. I'm going to make a chain of 12 centimeter, the same like this hand. That's going to form the second hand. So let's keep on going. So this line I'm working on the double crochet. So right now I'm almost there. So my last stitch, then right now I'm going to do an increase of a chain of 12 centimeters. So here I go. I'm going to measure and see if it's 12 centimeters or it's more. Yeah, you can see that's exactly 12 centimeter. So what next? I'm going to add 2 more chain. The 2 more chain, they are going to form 1/2 crochet to come back on top of the chain, because this next line I'm going to be crocheting is going to be half crochet. So I'm going to crochet back on the chain. So whenever you are making your chain, guys, always remember, try as much as possible not to tight your chain, so that when you're coming, don't make it too tight and don't make it loose. When you are coming back, for you to pass your crochet, it should be easy, just the way I'm going right now. You should not be facing difficulties to pass the crochet in. And remember, if you make it too loose, when you are coming back and you are walking, it's going to be twisted this way. It's going to look somehow. It's not going to look beautiful. You look, this is just perfect. It's not loose, it's not tight. So I'm coming close to the point where I started my chain. So right now I'm done with the chain. I'm back to this position. So from here I'm just going to be doing my normal crochet now, working from this position down, up and down, until I have the size of this, until the size, that way it's exactly like this other one here. So see you on the other end, guys. So guys, right now I'm on the second to the last line on the hand. When I finish with this line and I crochet, half crochet down, then I'm done with my hand. So here I go. So I'm going to turn it now, then I'm going to go back with the half crochets, to work back with the half crochet. Then I'll show you. So from there you see that I'll have the same on this side. So I'm going to work all down till I reach here with half crochets. So when I finish this one with the half crochet and I'm coming back up, I'm not going to reach here. I'm not going to reach right up here. I'm going to reach just somewhere here for it to be the same like this side. So when I'm coming back up with this line, I'm going to put my stitch marker so that when I arrive there I'll stop, then I'll walk back down. So this is my last line that I'm going down. So when I'm going to be coming up, guys, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. So see you all on the other end. So guys, I'm almost on the lower section. So right now when I finish on this line down, I'm going to crochet up. So I'm here, sorry, let me put the last crochet, then I turn my work. Right now I'm going to crochet up, so I'll need my stitch marker. My stitch marker is for me to mark exactly the position where I'm going to stop when I'm coming back up. So here is my stitch marker. So right now I have to know when I arrive here I have to stop, then I crochet back, because here are the hands, just like this one. So right now I'm having two more lines. I'm having two more lines to crochet. The first line I'm going to crochet from here to here. It will be with double crochet. Then the last line I'll crochet back. It's going to be with a half crochet. So let me put my crochet pin. So I have to start with 3 chain, then I start here. So I'm going to crochet right up there with the double crochet to the position where I've put that stitch marker. Then I'm going to stop. Then from there I'm going to come back with half crochet, with a line of half crochet, and that will be the end of this first side. Then I'm going to show you guys the next thing I have to do. So see you all on the other end, guys. So guys, I'm almost on the position of the stitch marker. So I put the last one here, then I go back with half crochet, and this line right now that I'm going to work on, this is going to be the last line of this side. I'm going to go back down with half crochet, and like you can see, it's going to give the same, like this position. So see you guys on the other end. So guys, I'm almost down. This is the last line. This is the last line, and not the least. So here I go, and this is my scissors. I'm going to use my scissors to cut the yarn, and I'm going to cut it a little bit longer because I'll need it after to close. So guys, you can see what I'm having here. You just need two exactly like this size. You need exactly two like this size there that I'm having. So this is the other first one. Then you are going to put them together like this. When you put them together, you are going to close. Actually, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it in a special form. So right now I need my yarn and my needle. So whenever you're working, your yarn and your needle, it's always important, because whatever you fix, when you finish, you still need your yarn and your needle with your scissors to work with. So this is my yarn. I'm going to cut it here. Then I'm going to work on the hands. So these are the hands. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put them together. Put them like this here. Make sure you put them equally. Then I'm going to put them like this. Both sides should be equal. Then you use your needle and you sew them together. This is my needle and my yarn. So I'm going to sew the both parts together. Excuse. Make sure you sew the four sides. When you close it, you make two here, so it's going to be four sides. You sew them together like this. Sew it well, guys. You always sew it well so that it will not get loose when you finish. So I do like that. Then I'm going to pass my yarn inside. Pass my yarn inside. Then I'm going to cut with my scissors. So that's the first side. So I'm going to come to this other hand, and I'm going to do the same. I put this and this together, this and this together, this and this together, like that. Then I'm going to sew also together. So this is my needle. I put it, I sew it. I'm going to sew it just the same like I did with the first. Make sure both sides are equal and they are facing the same direction. So here I go. So right now I'll pass my needle inside, then I will cut with my scissors. So one next I'm going to sew this downer section. The downer section, I'm going to turn it. So that's the downer section. Turn it like that. So when you turn the other side, when you are sewing the downer section, you have to turn it, guys. You turn it, then you are going to sew it from the side that is supposed to be inside. So you start from this end and you put the two sides together. So what you need to do is just to sew it from here to here. So see you on the other side, guys. So right now I'm on this end, guys. So when I arrive here, I have to sew the corners as well. So from here I also have to sew these corners together up. So the first part I begin is the lower section. I've put it together. Now is these sides I also have to put it together with my needle up. So see you on the other end, guys. So I finished closing this other side, guys. So I'm going to come to this other side, then I'm also going to do the same. I'm going to close it from here to the top there, so from the inner part as well. So see you when I reach at the top. So right now I'm at the top, guys. The top of the second side. So I'll close it down a little bit again so that it will get tight. So right now I pass my needle in, then I cut. That's my needle. Then I'm going to cut. So let me turn my work now and we see what I have. And this not yet all, it's not yet all about it. This yarn that is training, I need to remove it, so I'll also put inside the needle so that I'll pull it out easily on the other side, because I need to work with it. Let me put it inside my needle. Is it? That's the corner. You just do like this and I pull it out. So here, what I'm about to do, pay attentive. Now like this, what I need to do, I need to put back this side inside. Need to put back the part inside like this. Put it back inside because I want it to form something like this. I put back inside. I'm going to sew it. I'm going to sew the side like that. Bring it back inside. And I come on this side and I put the yarn inside. That's it. Then I cut. So I'm going to come back on the hands and I put them like this. Then I put my crochet. I take my yarn and I'm going to work on half stitches on top of this place. I'm going to work on half stitches. It's a little bit difficult, guys, but you just have to use a little bit of force to pass through. This is what you have to do. The both sides, both hands, you have to do the same thing. This the last stitch, so I'm going to cut. You can see what I'm having. This is what I want it. This I want it to be. I'll go on the other hand and I'll do the same. So on the downer section I'll also do the same. So I'll cut the yarn and I'll sew it inside. Cut the yarn, use my needle, then I come here and I sew it inside like that. Then I cut, then I move next to this other hand and I do the same. So see you guys. So here's the second hand. So I cut my yarn. I'm going to sew it inside as well. I put it on my needle, then I sew it inside like that, and I cut, so you can see that's what I'm having. So what next? I come to on this lower section, come on the lower section of the bag. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to make a crochet half line from here to here, the same, just the way I've done with the hands. I take my needle, my crochet hook, and I start from this side. From this side. So I go down right to the other end, just the same as I've done with the hands. So see you guys on the other end, guys. So here I'm coming to this other side. Was on the last section. So here I go. I'm going to cut. So let me cut the yarn. I cut it. I'm going to cut it shorter now because I only need to sew it inside. I don't need it to do much thing again. When you want to sew a bigger portion, you cut it long, but if you want to sew just a small portion, you make it short or you just want to make it in, you make it shorter. So this is just what I want to do with it, so that I'll be able to cut without any problem. So here I go, and my back is finished. So you can see. So here is my bag, my small bag. It's just the same like the sachets, the small sachets. Please guys, if you have watched up to this stage, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So this is the back, this is it. You can see, you see the hands. This was the reason I make the hands big, because I wanted to put them this way. You can see.